Jai Hind children, welcome in your maths live class. In today's class, we will start from question number 5 of exercise 15B. And today only we will complete this exercise. So, let's see question number 5 first. What is it? It is an exterior angle of a triangle is 100 degree. An exterior angle of a triangle is 100 degree. And its interior opposite angles are equal to each other. So find the measure of each angles of a triangle. Okay. One of the exterior angle of a triangle is given, and they are asking the other two angles and the third one also. So quickly draw the diagram first. What is given to us? Rough diagram, children, so that it will the question should set in your mind. Okay, so we will draw the rough diagram. We will draw the rough diagram. What it says, children? There is a triangle, okay, and the exterior angle. We have learned this now in the previous class. The exterior angle triangle is equal to 100 degree. It is equal to 100 degree. The exterior angle triangle is equal to 100 degree, children, and the interior opposite angles. Interior opposite angles. This is interior angle. Okay. These two are interior angle. This is also interior angle, but it is adjacent to the exterior angle. So we will not take this, children, because it is adjacent to this 100 degree. This is exterior, bahar bana hai exterior angle, and these two angles, angle 1, 2 and angle 3, all the angles are interior angles, but they are saying that it should be interior and opposite angles. It should not be adjacent angles. So we will not take this, children. Okay, hum ye nahi lenge. We will not take the adjacent interior angle of the exterior one. So these two are interior and opposite angles of this exterior angle, and they are equal to each other, children. They are equal to each other. So if this will be x, this will also be equal to x. So the question is asking, find the angles of this triangle. Find the angles of this triangle, children. So now this also we have to find. Third angle also we have to find. But first of all, find these two angles which are equal to each other. So by using exterior angle property of triangle, this is question number 5, children. You can write it also, that what is given? Given exterior angle is equal to 100 degree and interior opposite angles are equal. So let the interior opposite angles, one of the interior opposite angle be x. Let one of the interior opposite angle be x. एक को हमने x मान लिया. So the another one will also be equal to x. You using exterior angle property of triangle, the sum of interior opposite angles x plus x will be equal to its exterior angle. The sum of interior opposite angles, जो भी इंटीरियर हो और अपोजिट हो, किसके अपोजिट हो? एक्सटीरियर एंगल के. ये एक्सटीरियर एंगल है, तो इसके अपोजिट एंगल कौन कौन से हैं बेटा? दिस एंड दिस. इंटीरियर अपोजिट एंगल्स का जो सम आएगा दैट विल बी इक्वल टू द एक्सटीरियर एंगल. ये एक्सटीरियर एंगल प्रॉपर्टी है ट्रायंगल की. वी हैव लर्न ऑलरेडी, वी हैव डिस्कस दिस. So now x plus x is equal to 2x, that is equal to 100, or x is equal to 50 degree. X is equal to how much, children? X is equal to 50 degree. Hence this will be 50 degree and this one will also be 50 degree. So can you find the third angle of this triangle? Yes, by using angle sum property. हम इसको निकाल सकते हैं. Now we can find the third angle of the particular triangle, because in the question they have asked what are the angles of those triangles, those triangle. So now we will write hence. Now also, not now, also sum of angles of all the triangles is equal to 50 degree. No, is equal to 180 degree. So 50 plus angle 3 इसको ले लीजिए, इसको एंगल 3 ले लीजिए. ठीक है, टेक इट एज एंगल 3, नॉट एंगल 3. इसको ले लीजिए आप सी, इसको सी ले लीजिए बेटा, ए बी सी. ठीक है, इसको एंगल सी ले लीजिए, या फिर आप इसको लिख सकते हैं 50 प्लस एंगल, यू कैन राइट इट प्रॉपरली. वेट, राइट इट एज एंगल ए बी सी प्लस एंगल बी ए सी प्लस एंगल ए सी बी इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. यहाँ पे रीजन लिखेंगे. रीजन इज एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ ट्राइंगल. मैम ने ये एंगल लिया है, ये लिया है, ये एंड ये. सो एंगल ए बी सी, ये वाला एंगल ए बी सी 50 डिग्री प्लस एंगल बी ए सी, दिस वन बी ए सी मीन्स दिस वन 50 डिग्री, and angle ACB is equal to 180. So this will be 100 plus angle ACB. So the angle will be equal to how much? Come on. Angle will be equal to, angle ACB is equal to 180 minus 100, that is 80 degree. 100 उधर जाएगा, so 180 minus 100, that is 80 degree. Hence the angles of the given triangle will be 50 degree and 80 degree. Clear? Now let's see the next question. Next question is question number 7 we will solve now. So let's see the PPT. But before solving 7, I will show you question number 6 also. I will explain question number 6. You will solve question number 6 and 8, children, because it is the homework part, but I am going to explain it that how you will solve. So quickly write down, just draw the diagram, question number 6 diagram, and I am also drawing question number 6 diagram. Okay, children, I think you people are drawing the rough diagram, question number 6 diagram. In the given figure, we have to find angle ACD and angle AED. So now let's see the diagram. Okay, we have to find angle ACD. Children, this one. This we don't know, this we have to find. Angle ACD. This angle we have to find. And the second angle is angle AED. So angle AED is which one, children? If this is E, so this one is E now. This one is E, children. So we have to find this angle. Okay. This is angle E. Angle AED. So two angles we have to find. How you will find? This is question number 6, which you have to solve in your homework notebook by your own. I am just explaining it. Now children, if you will see this triangle, triangle ABC, in triangle, if you will use angle triangle ABC, use this triangle. So 45 angle B is given and 25 angle A is given, and this angle we have to find. And what is this angle, children? For the first triangle ABC triangle, this angle C, AC, and the third one, this one is D, है ना? So this particular angle is what? This is exterior angle, isn't it? ACD is an exterior angle for triangle ABC, and by using the exterior angle property of a triangle, we can find this angle. Can we find? Yes, we can find. How, children? The द सम ऑफ इंटीरियर अपोजिट एंगल्स, इंटीरियर भी होने चाहिए अंदर के एंगल्स एंड अपोजिट भी होने चाहिए इसके. सो द सम ऑफ इंटीरियर अपोजिट एंगल विल बी इक्वल टू इट्स एक्सटीरियर एंगल. ये एक्सटीरियर एंगल प्रॉपर्टी है ट्रायंगल की. सो एंगल सी विल बी इक्वल टू हाउ मच, 45 plus 25, 45 plus 25, that will be equal to, come on, 70 degree. This will be equal to 70 degree. So angle C will be 70 degree. So step by step you will write that by using triangle ABC, by using triangle ABC, ACD, angle ACD will be treated as exterior angle, will be treated as exterior angle. Hence the angle A plus angle B will be equal to angle ACD. And by using the exterior angle property, sum of the interior opposite angle will be equal to exterior angle. तो आप sum कर लीजिएगा, 70 आ जाएगा. So this will be now 70 degree. If this will be 70 degree, now see the next triangle. आप इसको भूल जाओ आप. अब now see this one. See this triangle. Which triangle? The second one. This. Okay. This one. This is rough diagram, children. That's why I am using without using the ruler, drawing without using the ruler. But for drawing this, the diagram, you will use the ruler. I have also used the ruler. Use ruler and pencil. Now, children, this two angles we know. Okay. This is 70 degree. Just now we have find that this is 70 degree. And angle D is already given in the question that it is 40 degree. So can we find this angle? Can we find this angle? Yes, by using angle sum property of triangle. तीनों angle का sum होता है 180 degree. So by using angle sum property of triangle, angle A plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. पूरा आप step by step लिखेंगे. Give the reason, angle sum property and find the third angle. 70 plus 40 is 110 और 180 से माइनस करेंगे तो it will be 70. This will be 70 degree. But ये तो नहीं पूछा गया है. This angle they have not asked from us that what is the value of this angle. But we have to find this angle. Why, children? Because hence by finding this we can find the unknown angle which we have to find. AED हमें निकालना है. So this is A children, A यहाँ है, ठीक है. A is here. So AE, this is E ना, this one is E, this is E. AED ये हमें निकालना है. ऊपर का A, ये AED. So now if this is also 70 degree, this is also 70 degree. So I have drawn only this part of the triangle so that you can focus on AED only. So AED, this is a straight line, children. Can you see this? This is a straight line. And in a straight line, two angles are drawn. One is exterior and one is interior for this triangle. So either use the exterior angle property or you can use the linear pair. Linear pair, beta, the sum of two angles drawn on a straight line on one part of the side. एक ही तरफ line के on one side the angles are drawn. Okay. So this is equal to 180 degree. This is linear pair also. Linear pair क्या है आपका ये? Linear pair means the non-common rays are opposite. The non-common sides are opposite rays. So ये angle AED plus angle this one, the interior CED, ठीक है. इन दोनों का sum क्या होगा? 180. तो 70 plus this angle sum will be equal to 180 degree. Use linear pair property और आप इसका भी use कर सकते हो क्या? Interior angle sum is equal to the exterior angle. So ये क्या आ जाएगा आपका? This will be 110 degree. This will be equal to 110 degree. So in this way you have to solve this question. Now see the next question, children. Next question is question number 7, and this we have to find. This we have to find, children. Okay. So quickly draw the diagram. I am also drawing my diagram. Now children, draw it quickly. I am also drawing it. Question number 7. In the given figure, two triangles were given to us, ABC and ACD. Side by side it is drawn, and we have to find angle ACD. angle ADC and angle DAE. Okay, angle B, angle C and angle A in the different triangles it is given to us. Okay, so now see this, see the diagram. We have to find ACD, children. We have to find angle A, C and D. This angle we have to find, children. And if you will see this triangle, only see the first triangle, pick the first triangle. Which triangle? A, B and C. Okay. Now I think it is clear. Yes, ABC. 40 degree, this angle is given and this is 100 degree. Can we find the third angle? Yes, we can find, but in the question they are not asking for this angle. But for this angle, children, if you will see it properly, this is angle C. Okay, so ACD, they have asked for ACD, and ACD is what? It is exterior angle for this. Okay, okay, children. So now we will find this. Let's see the question. Now from the question you can see it clearly that it is 40 degree and 100 degree. So 40 degree, 100 degree, we can find this angle A also. This will be how much? By using angle sum property, this angle will be 40 degree. Okay, and now the sum of interior opposite angle, this angle and this angle A and angle B will be equal to the exterior angle. Okay, so sum of 40 plus 40. So this ACD will be equal to 80 degree. Now we are going to write it step by step. So you in triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. यहाँ पे reason लिखिए using angle sum property of triangle. Angle A हमें नहीं पता, angle B is 40 degree plus बेटा angle A is 40 degree plus angle C is 100 degree, that is equal to 180. So angle A is equal to 180 minus 140, that is angle A is equal to 40 degree. First you find this in triangle ABC, angle A is 40 degree. Now using this we will find ACD. ACD is the exterior angle for triangle ABC. Angle ACD is exterior angle of triangle ABC. Therefore angle BAC plus angle ABC is equal to angle ACD. Now I am writing the proper one. Okay, angle BAC, ये वाला angle plus angle ABC. ABC means this angle. This angle plus this angle is equal to ACD. ठीक है? So this is 40 and this is also 40. That is equal to angle ACD. So we have find the value of angle ACD. ये हमने find कर लिया. It is what now? It is 80 degree. It is 80 degree. Now the next one, children. The next one, the second part. Second part is angle ADC. Second part is find angle ACD. ACD क्या है? कितना है? ADC, sorry. ADC, children. ADC. What is angle ADC? Yes, ADC. Now ADC कहाँ है? देखिए ADC. Okay, this one, children. This one. Can we find? Yes, easily we can find. How we can find, children? By using angle sum property. Now using triangle, which triangle? Now using triangle ACD. Next wala, this triangle. Using second triangle, है ना? Using this triangle. Using triangle ACD एंगल ए प्लस एंगल सी प्लस एंगल डी इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. ठीक है. सो एंगल ए है आपका 50 डिग्री, एंगल सी इज 80 डिग्री. राइट इट प्रॉपरली चिल्ड्रन. 80 डिग्री प्लस एंगल डी इज इक्वल टू 180. सो 50 प्लस 80 130. Angle D will be equal to how much? 130 will go to that side, so it will be equal to 50 degree. Okay, angle D is equal to 50 degree, or you can write it as angle ADC is equal to 50 degree. Write it properly, ADC. पूरा लिखिए. It's not visible. Okay, so you can write side by side, or angle ADC is equal to 50 degree. ये आपका क्या आ गया? 50 डिग्री आ गया. ठीक है. In this way we can find. If you are using a triangle, you can write it directly. ऐसे लिख सकते हैं. But if you are using the whole diagram, then you have to mention. तब आपको पूरा mention करना पड़ेगा कि which angle you are writing, like in this way. So that's why I have mentioned that in triangle ACD, I have picked only A, C and D. Only this triangle I have picked. So angle A plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 180. Write the reason. What is the reason? Angle sum property of triangle. तीनों का angle, किसी भी triangle का sum क्या होता है? Angle sum क्या होता है? तीनों का sum 180. Okay. Now the third one. So the third one, children, see the third one. Third part is DAE. Third part. Angle DAE. Angle DAE, children. Where is DAE? DAE. We have to find this particular angle. ये निकालना है. ठीक है. We have already find this. ये हमने पहले ही निकाल लिया था कि ये 40 डिग्री है. Now, can you use the exterior angle property? Exterior angle property यहाँ पे आप लगा सकते हैं? No. Why not? It is not a straight line, children. ये अगर पूरी स्ट्रेट लाइन होती तो ये एक्सटीरियर एंगल होता, बट इट इज़ नॉट अ स्ट्रेट लाइन. ये यहाँ से ऐसे टिल्टेड है. इट्स नॉट एन एक्सटीरियर एंगल राइट नाउ. ठीक है. एक्सटीरियर एंगल के लिए भी आपको देखना होगा कि इट शुड बी अ स्ट्रेट वन. उस पर बनाओ, जैसे कि ये बना है, दिस वन स्ट्रेट लाइन पे बनाए, तो दिस इज एन एक्सटीरियर एंगल. राइट नाउ दिस इज नॉट एक्सटीरियर एंगल फॉर दिस ट्राइंगल. ठीक है. सो बाय यूजिंग which reason, by using which property we will find angle DAE. DAE कैसे निकालेंगे? So now you can see this angles on a straight line, angles drawn on a straight line on one side, its sum will be equal to 180 degree. कोई भी straight line है, उस पर कितने भी आप angles बना लो, how many angles, whatever angles you can draw on that line, कितने भी angle आप बना लो, this on one side, their sum will be equal to 180 degree. और ये linear pair नहीं लिखोगे बेटा, it's not a linear pair. It is angles drawn on a straight line on one side. Its sum is equal to 180 degree. So you will write, what you will write, that angle BAC, पूरा लिखिए, BAC, angle BAC means हम बात कर रहे हैं एंगल ए की यहाँ पर, है ना, इस एंगल की बात कर रहे हैं, प्लस एंगल CAD, एंगल CAD. अब ये वाला ए कौन सा है? ये 50 डिग्री. दिस ए इज डिफरेंट, दैट्स व्हाई आई एम नॉट राइटिंग एंगल ए एंगल ए एंगल ए. नो, आई एम राइटिंग द होल फुल नेम ऑफ दिस एंगल. दिस एंगल नेम इज BAC, लिख दिया. दिस एंगल नेम इज CAD. ठीक है. प्लस एंगल DAE जो हमको निकालना है बेटा, DAE. ठीक है. दैट इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. और यहाँ पे रीजन, प्लीज मेंशन द रीजन. एंगल्स मेड ऑन अ स्ट्रेट लाइन ऑन वन साइड, on its one side, its sum will be equal to 180 degree. So BAC, this one, BAC is 40 degree, plus CAD means this one, children, this one 50 degree, plus DAE we don't know, DAE is equal to 180 degree. that is equal to 180 degree. No, it's not proper. So we will write it properly, children. Write the reason. After this, write the reason. Okay, what is the reason? And then BAC is 40 degree plus CAD is 50 degree plus angle DAE, this we have to find, is equal to 180 degree. Now 40 plus 50 is 90 degree plus angle DAE is equal to 180. So angle DAE is equal to 90 degree. I am writing it directly. It is equal to 90 degree. है ना? क्यों 90 डिग्री? 90 उधर जाएगा, माइनस हो जाएगा. So angle DAE is 90 degree. After doing this, write all the three angles measures. जो पूछा गया सब. Hence this angle, this angle, this angle is equal to this, this, this. ऐसे. ठीक है? So in this way you can complete this question. Now question number 8. Question number 8, children. See question number 8. It is what is question number 8? It is your homework and I am just explaining it. In the given figure, alongside x is to y is equal to 2:3. Ratio में दिया गया है बेटा. And angle ACD is 130 degree. Let me draw the diagram for you. You can also draw it or you just read the question because it is your homework na. So read the question. Maybe it is clear to you while reading the question only. So we are having a triangle. We are having a triangle ABC and one part is D. Angle B is X, angle A is Y, and the exterior angle is given to us, that is 130 degree. ठीक है? But X is to Y angle is not given. X is to Y is in the form of ratio 2:3. ठीक है? They are asking find the value of X, Y and Z. See this board देखिए, ये रफ डायग्राम में बेटा. X is to Y is 2:3. तो ये 2 और 3 तो होगा नहीं. This will be something 2x and 3x ratio में दिया गया है. So let angle x is equal to 2x and angle y is equal, not angle x लिखो, x is equal to 2x and y is equal to 3x. Now these two are interior opposite angles for this exterior angle. For this exterior angle, these two are interior भी हैं and opposite angles भी हैं. So their sum x plus y will be equal to how much? Will be equal to angle ACD. Will be equal to ACD. X कितना है बेटा? 2x. Y is how much? 3x. That is equal to 130 degree. So we can find that 5x is equal to 130. X की value निकालो. X की value 130 by 5. So 5 2s are 10 and 5 6 are 30. 26 degree. X की value 26 degree. In this way you can find the value of x. रखो यहाँ पे x की value, y की value and for z, for z, what you can do? Angle sum property. Angle sum property. Clear? Find the value of x first. x कैसे निकाला? हमने निकाल लिया x. Exterior angle. Interior sum of the interior angles of a triangle is equal to its exterior angle. ये जो exterior angle है ये इन दोनों के सम के बराबर होगा. इंटीरियर अपोजिट एंगल के सम के बराबर होगा. एंड व्हाट इज x? इट इज इन रेशियो, सो वी हैव टेकन एज 2x. व्हाट इज y? 3x. सो राइट डाउन 2x प्लस 3x. x की वैल्यू y, अभी सिर्फ x की वैल्यू y. ठीक है, नॉट x. नो नीड टू टेक इट एज x. यस, मैम इज डूइंग सम मिस्टेक. x तो ऑलरेडी दिया है. टेक इट एज 2a एंड 3a बेटा. इसको ऐसे लीजिए, वो गड़बड़ हो जाएगा क्योंकि x तो आपका ऑलरेडी दिया गया है ना. x तो आपका ऑलरेडी दिया गया है. टेक अनदर वेरिएबल बेटा. x तो ऑलरेडी है ना, सो यूज अनदर वेरिएबल. ओके, नाउ लेट x बी 2a एंड y बी 3a. मतलब वो उसी रेशियो में बढ़ेगा जिस रेशियो में आपका ये वेरिएबल मल्टीप्लाई होगा. नाउ आफ्टर डूइंग दिस we will find the value of x. x की वैल्यू आएगी 26 into 2 और y की वैल्यू आएगी 26 into 3. ठीक है, 26 into 3. x की आ गई, y की आ गई. Can we find the value of z? Yes, we can find the value of z by using angle sum property of triangle. तीनों एंगल का सम क्या होता है 180 डिग्री. So we can find in this way we can find all the angles x, y and z. So this is for your homework. I have given only an idea that how you will solve. Okay. So your task is to complete your homework and maintain your classwork copy and as well as your homework notebook properly, children. Draw the diagram properly. So in this way we have completed the second exercise. In the next class we will start the third exercise, and it is very important, children. Third and fourth, after that Pythagoras theorem, triangle inequality, all are important chapters, okay, and interesting also. So complete your work. Till then, children, take care, okay, and do revision.